Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. When there are a lot of people in a community, everybody wants to find their place and role in their community. So, there are words and symbols that indicate these roles. The axe was one of these symbols of a higher title. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts the shape of an ornamental axe. This is how the character looks today. It almost looks exactly like the ancient character. This character may not seem like an axe at first glance, but the top horizontal line seems to be the handle, and the bottom horizontal line seems to be the blade of the axe. An ornamental axe signifies authority, and a scholar has enough knowledge to gain authority that comes with a title. This character means scholar. It is used in this word, 人士, which means public figure. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. From here, we will add a stand where we can display the axe. An axe is a weapon that can be used in battle, and when it's stored away or neglected on a stand, it means there is peace, and a long period of peace is a lucky thing. This character means lucky. Let's see the next character. Now let's add the character for thread. This character implies a mending between villages to agree to a peace treaty. It is used in this word, 结婚, which means marry, and 团结, which means unite. A village that has no wars can pursue other things and be productive. So this character also means to bear fruit. It is used in this word, 结实, which means solid or fruition. On to the next character. We're back to the axe. And now let's add a character for heart. To become a scholar, you need a big goal in mind, focus on that goal, and not be distracted by things like riches or titles. The heart of a scholar is ambitious. This character means ambitious. It is used in this word, 同志, which means comrade, and 意志, which means will. Let's see the last character. The meaning of the main character is a little different in this one. There is an old instrument that uses stone plates that hang on a wooden frame, which are hit with a stick, kind of like big chimes. In this character, the main character is depicting the wooden frame, and the bottom character is depicting the stone plates. This character means sound. It is used in this word, 声音, which means voice or sound. It is also used to count the number of times a sound is heard, like in this phrase. Can you find the character? This phrase means, I called him twice. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters, and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.